Congratulations, brother. That was awesome, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Man, I cannot believe that.
Heck, I've saved $3 since 10:30.
Ooh, that's a big buff.
It's a grind, but we got it done this morning on public land in the North Georgia mountains.
Was that good or was that good?
I seen them slipping through the field out here, and we sat down, and they come on a string.
Did you see that?
Dude, that's 3 years in the make we've been trying to kill one.
See that big one? It's you.
I got him.
Why are we trying to find fish right now?
Here he comes.
North Georgia public land management area. Gobbler. I like that pretty good. Come on. He just come out of the woods and come right to us, man. Eston Dome tapped him, son. Oh.